We have multiple tools for communicating with students and parents. One of the most integrated tools is Infinite Campus Message Center. This tool can send messages to students and/or families that are connected to Infinite Campus. The messages are also logged in Infinite Campus in case they need to be referenced later. Start by clicking on Message Center. Often, we will build a new message from scratch. We can choose a general class message, a missing assignments message, which will individually insert which assignments are flagged as missing in Infinite Campus per student, or a grades message, which will similarly insert a current grade per student that receives the message. Scroll down and we input a subject and some text for the body of the message. In this sample, we see that we are going to send out a reminder on how to access the student tech support material from the school website. Once our message is typed out, we click Next to choose who will receive the message. We choose which periods and which people connected to the student's account. Student messenger contacts are family members that have opted in to receive messages from Infinite Campus. And the other checkbox is to have the message go to the students themselves as well. We can choose individual students from within a class or the whole class. For this message, we're going to send it to a whole class and just the students. On the next page, we get a preview of the message itself and who will be receiving it. If we want, we can see who specifically will be getting the message and how. Some messages via email, some via the app, and some choose both. Let's go ahead and send the message. Once a message has been sent, it will show up in your sent message log. This is helpful for us to know because we won't see this message as a draft or sent from anywhere else. It does not show up in our email. Let's see where we can view the sent message log. For this, we need to shift over to the Campus Tools section. We go to the top left, click the drop down, and then select Campus Tools. While in the Index tab on the left, we look down to Messenger, then Sent Message Log. We click here and now we can see any messages that we have previously sent. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out our other videos on teacher tips for EdTech tools.